Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to set up Mozilla Thunderbird on Windows to work with our UNC email account. So the first thing we want to do is just go online and download Thunderbird. It's a completely free program, also by Mozilla. A lot of you are probably using Firefox as your browser. This is a really handy mail client that's completely free, does a good job organizing your mail, and we'll show you a little bit how to use that now. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and after you install Thunderbird, just go ahead and open it up. Alright, so when you open Thunderbird, if you just installed it for the first time, it'll go ahead and ask you to create an account. Just go ahead and hit cancel and get to this window here. If you've already installed Thunderbird and have other accounts, then what you're going to want to do is just go to here and say create new account. And what it's going to ask you for is just a name, whatever your email address is here, which is you should use your UNC one. And you want to go ahead and type in your onion password. So what it's doing now here is it's trying to it's testing out the email.unc.edu, trying to figure out how to connect. Alright, so it's going to take a guess, which UNC is an IMAP, but we have some issues going on with these two settings. So what we want to do is just go ahead and go to Manual Setup. What you want to do is under Server Name, you want to just go ahead and type in imap.unc.edu, since UNC has an IMAP type server. We want to keep our username there. We want to use SSL security, authentication password, a normal password, and that should all be fine. These are just some other settings. They're all fine. For outgoing server here, alright, we're going to want to say add. Alright, and description we're just going to say UNC, and the server name is fsmtp.unc.edu. Make sure you have SSL security with a normal password, and your username should be your onion also. Go ahead and hit OK, and then click OK down here. As you can see here, it's made our mail account right here. If you pull this down, you can go ahead and look at the inbox. To access it, it's going to ask for your password, so you just want to say use password manager and type in your onion password and click OK. And see here I have a message actually already in my box. So we're just going to go ahead and move to the one of the local folders here to trash. So now my inbox is empty. We're going to go ahead and send a test email here to make sure it's working. So we're going to go ahead and send it to ourselves, and you're going to want to just type in test and test. Hit send. Alright. And then if we go to get mail here, you can see in our inbox we've just received a message, and this is the email we just sent to ourselves. As you can see, it formats the emails nicely, putting the emails in order here. You can put it by who they're from, by when you receive them, or by subject. You can then delete them, archive them somewhere. I'd recommend making local folders here and just kind of filing your stuff away. And once we're in here, we can just go ahead and clear that out. Also, if you have other mail accounts, if you just go to Tools, Account Settings, go to Account Actions and say Add Mail Account. For an example, I'm just going to go ahead and configure my Gmail account. My Gmail account email is this right here, and then my password. Say continue. Alright, so good news is, since Gmail is one of the most standard mail folders, that it actually knows how to go ahead and connect. So I'm just going to go ahead and say create account. It's going to check my password, and I'm going to say OK. And now whenever I get an email also from my Gmail account, they all come in my inbox. It'll also go online and automatically pull down whatever information I have on my Gmail account. So if you have multiple mail accounts, you can get them all to come in here, and if you go up here and say get mail, it'll go ahead and automatically find the mail for both these accounts. This is a great way to keep all your stuff organized, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.